What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add a fully functional option to change the language of your site. For example, here in my header menu, I can move from French to German, and it's gonna fully translate every part of my site. How to add this on your site for free. This is what we're gonna learn in today's video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard on the browser address bar, enter with your domain plus wp-admin and enter with the login credentials, okay? User and password. Review the left sidebar of menus and hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add New, okay? Once right here, review the upper right corner of your screen. You're gonna be able to find a field to search plugins, type G translate, just like this. Here's the guide I'm looking for. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. Review the left sidebar of menus once again, scroll down until you find settings and hit the submenu G translate, okay? And here is the plugin settings. Let me show you better. First thing, you can choose the widget layout. There is a flat, drop down, the flags, all up to you and to your needs, okay? I like the pop-up. Then you can choose translate from, okay? You can use native language names, up to you. You can auto switch on browser language, okay? Up to you as well. It's a good option, by the way. You can enable CDN. You can show this on menu. You need to choose the menu, okay? The header menu. In my case, is the primary menu. You can show floating language selection, up to you, okay? You can change the size, the flag style, and you can choose some language. Let me remove some just to occupy less space. Save change, and here is the result you're gonna get, okay? You can choose every language you wish. In the case that you want, you can copy this shortcode into the right side of my screen, right here, and apply this language switcher to your widgets, to your page, to your home page, into some section of your site. Let me show you. Copy this shortcode, go to pages or posts, click into the plus button to add a widget and search for shortcode and place the code, just like this. Now, if you go review the page, you're gonna be able to find the switcher. Nice, right? Simple, easy, and very effective. And you can choose every single language. There is a couple of languages to play with, and as soon as you click, the entire site automatically translates. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the Visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!